Running stop signs in our town has become epidemic, and you may have the same problem in your community. As school systems nationwide try to cut their transportation expenses, more students are walking or driving themselves to school. In our DC metro area, other jurisdictions are also dealing with pedestrian fatalities.
We set out to build a system called iStop to help existing and new drivers learn how to properly come to a stop at a stop sign. You may have seen a speed sign which will blink your speed if you are speeding. Our iStop system applies similar feedback to any existing stop sign, converting it from a static sign into an interactive, intelligent STEM device.
In our iStop system, we use a LiDAR unit to detect approaching vehicles. An Arduino Mega microprocessor runs the system and calculates the speed of the car. The Arduino turns on all the LED strips to alert the driver of the stop sign. I'll begin a demo to show how it works. As the driver slows, the LED strips start turning off to match their speed. Each LED strip corresponds to a 5-mile-an-hour decrease in speed. If the driver comes to a complete stop, they're rewarded with a surprise icon on the LED matrix.
Creating the system required getting 16 electronic components operating at 3 different voltages to work together. Along the way, we ran into several roadblocks and had to change LiDAR units, switch to a different Arduino, and employ voltage converters. We also wrote the system software that detects object motion, performs the mathematical calculations for speed, controls the LED strips for driver feedback, and stores and loads bitmaps.
The iStop system is meant to be educational and engaging. Our goal is to teach or reteach new and current drivers what a complete and legal stop is to improve the safety of our drivers in our community. The system logs all stops, good and bad, onto a micro SD card. The data is stored in a simple text file and can be retrieved and uploaded into an interactive GIS map. Each stop sign icon on the map is an easy-to-understand graphic showing the number of bad stops in red and good stops in green. The GIS map will help educate the community and law enforcement about which signs pose the most risk to our students.
Our mayor, Quasi Frazier, agreed that iStop would be a boon to our town, saying that, quote, "We need it in our community. We have a lot of rolling drivers." iStop is solar-powered, weather-resistant, portable, and at under $250. It is a deal when compared to speed limit signs in our town costing over $2,500. iStop is a STEM solution which increases the safety of pedestrians in any community by proactively and interactively reminding drivers how to stop properly and safely.